Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss Ruskin Bond's The Blue Umbrella. So let's start. The story of the Blue Umbrella revolves around a small girl, Binya. Binya lives in the Garhwal village, Himachal Pradesh. She is from a poor family and lives with her brother Bijju and her mother. Binya, while returning with her cattle from the field, witnesses some Japanese enjoying their meal. Binya is observing their activities and especially the blue color umbrella, which greatly attracted her. The Japanese tourists barter the blue umbrella with Binya's lucky charm leopard's claw pendant. Binya is so smitten to the beauty of the umbrella that she rarely closes it. The attractive umbrella became the talk of the village. Everyone wants to hold the umbrella once and Binya obliges to their requests. While the other villagers are just attracted, but some of them become obsessed over the umbrella. Like Ram Bharosa, a small grocery shop owner. He tries to buy that umbrella, but Binya stands firm to her decision of not selling it. Soon the season of monsoon began. Ram Bharosa hires a boy named Ram Ranjan. Ram Ranjan tries to steal the blue umbrella to impress his employer, while Binya goes into the forest to collect porcupines. However, this act was caught by Bijju, Binya's brother. Ram Ranjan, out of fear, takes Ram Bharosa's name because of his well-known obsession over the umbrella. After this incident, the villagers stop going into Ram Bharosa's shop. Seeing the great misery in Ram Bharosa's life, Binya feels sympathetic towards him and decides to donate the umbrella to him. In return for the umbrella, he gives her a charming bear claw pendant. The only theme I could find in this short story by Bond is that the human kindness and goodness are what values the most. Binya is an innocent, compassionate child who sets an example for all of us on how to be humble and kind in someone's plight. If you could find any other themes by reading this short story or from this summary, then comment down below. I would love to read.